Hi YouTubers, I've just done this one for Patreon. It's a trailer for another snow scene. I've made it as simple as possible. Although there's a lot in it, there's nothing there that is impossible for a beginner. It's just a case of building it up layer by layer. And although probably the snow is not the best I've ever done, I've indicated the hollows and the high spots by the use of a direction of the shadows. So some of the hollows will be darker than the tops. But the colours I've used, very limited palette. I've used burnt umber, ultramarine, yellow, or cadmium yellow, a raw sienna, light red. The light red, ultramarine and Payne's grey in the sky with a wash of burnt sienna across the horizon, just to give it a bit of warmth. And the trees, well, I've started with blue, coming forward with more warmer umbers, and I've used sables, or say a sable. Well, basically, I've used these two brushes. And the rigger, of course. I used the hake to fill in the sky, but I didn't want to complicate the sky. If you've got a complicated, when I say complicated, a lot going on, landscape, you don't want a similar intensity in the sky because they would compete. The sky is a backdrop for the actual scene. But if you can make it much more simple than that, if you want to enhance the sky, you can go over that sky with cloud when it's dry. But I enjoy doing it. So if you want to support me on Patreon, it's only about $4. I haven't put my prices up since I started, I don't think. But I've used this area here, these pines, as a focal point. Never put your focal point right in the middle of the picture. It divides, and it's the third in, third up, the golden section, more or less. But rules are made to be broken, of course. Right, that's all I'm going to do, I think. Today I've had enough. Been for the bike ride this morning, got soaking wet on the way back. Our fault, because we were warned from the weather forecast. But still a nice ride though. I'll show you, I'll see if I can bring it up quickly. I'll show you a couple of photographs that I took from the boardwalk of the wetlands. Well, here we go. Stay with me. Right, okay, let's there we are, that's a bit of the boardwalk. See, what I've been trying to share with you on the oil paintings is that the landscape is red and green. A bit of blue in the sky maybe, and a bit of Payne's grey to darken the passages. But look, these are where they've cut the reeds down. Another one there, look. That's a great model for a painting. Well, I won't copy it, I'll just do a version of it. I'm not sure how I'll do this in the wet sky with the oil, because we're using a lifting out technique, but we'll try it. But look, red and green, two colours. Two colours. Fabulous, eh? That's got everything in it for me. That's why I do landscape. Texture. Illusion of detail. Anyway, enough of that. I'll see you soon, folks. I'll be painting for you tomorrow. But I'll get this one uploaded for Patreon now. Goodbye.